Hi, I'm Pawel, I make games and I'm gonna show you how to add a soundtrack to your game really quickly. Let's begin with storing a reference to a component which plays the music. To do this, let's create a public audio source in Game Manager. I think header setup is a good place for that. Copy that name, and all we need to do with this bad boy is to use him in change scene. Find this line where we change the active local scene, and just before that we will check if we are leaving the first scene. Its number is 0, and that's why we will check if active local scene is 0. You may ask, why when we leave the first scene? Why there? The answer is really simple. I think it would be the best if we leave the silence in the main menu or use a different soundtrack there. Anyway, if you want to start playing the music, we just need to use soundtrack source.play with brackets. Now we need to do a few things in Unity. First, let's click on the main camera and use right mouse button there and add new audio source. Let's rename it to soundtrack source. That's the place where our soundtrack will be stored. Before we put something there, let's change its volume to something low, let's say 0.2, and now we may continue. I already have the audio prepared, so I'll just drag and drop it here. And if you want to use the same, you should go to the description of this video and find it. Now let's just use it as an audio clip and uncheck play on awake. This game object is active as we start the game, but we don't want to hear the music yet, so that's why we do that. A very important step is to check the loop option, because we want to hear this music until we win the game, not until the melody ends. The next thing is going to the main camera where our game manager is, and grabbing this soundtrack source. We'll just drag and drop it here, and that's it. We don't hear anything for now, but as we change the scene, we can hear the music. Pretty easy, huh? In the next video we are going to add some sound effects, so have a good day and see you soon!